So this is a presentation on the Prime investment, which we covered in a video I did yesterday. Was my top 5 reasons to join the Prime investment and get invested with Prime, of course. This video is a little bit different. It's just going to be straight up a presentation on the overall, like what is the Prime investment and such. So this video, of course, will be a little bit longer, and let's jump right into it. S-Forex Prime is algorithmatic, can't even say that word, trading on the exchanges using managed computer-based programs to make investment decisions, helping investors achieve the best returns while managing risk efficiently, okay, which is extremely important. So on to the next slide here. Hopefully I don't have any tongue twisters on this one. What is S-Forex Prime? Prime rewards in SGCT, which is a cryptocurrency that is equivalent to USDT. So it's equivalent to 1 USDT for making investments, earning referral rewards, and getting daily income. So it's what you get paid in, guys, is SGCT in the Prime investment, which is awesome. So let's get going here with this next one. Conditions for creating an investment in S-Forex Prime. Number 1, deposit creation is available by methods of 80% SGCT / 20% SWCT or 100% SGCT tokens there. Number 2, when a deposit is created using the 80% SGCT / 20% SWCT method, 100% of the SGCT portion of the deposit will be factored into the team turnover and referral rewards. Number 3, when creating a deposit using the 100% SGCT method, in turnover and referral rewards, 70% of the created deposit will be taken into account. Number four, referral rewards will be paid in SGCT tokens. Number 5, accruals in daily income on the entire deposit amount 5 days a week with compound interest in SGCT token. Number 6, weekly withdrawals of income to the balance in SGCT or reinvestment of income is available. Number 7, commissions for early withdrawal of the deposit is charged in SGCT currency. On to the next slide here. And this is the slide that everyone loves because it kind of gives you an idea and a foresight of the future of your plans and where you want to get to, right, with your investment goals and such. So S-Forex Prime, 5% fee for connecting your AI. So basically when you make your deposit there, okay? 5% fee, account management. So I want to explain this a little bit because that's a little tricky to understand. There's a 5% management fee, guys, and it's a yearly management fee. So basically you pay 5% of your deposit balance per year as a management fee to use the trading and stuff like that. Okay. Investment proposal here. So this is basically the members split with the company split. So this is how S Group basically makes money to pay out their referral rewards and the commissions and also, paying staff and all that kind of stuff there. So as you can see here, if you were to come along and invest 100 in the investment, so if you're just put $100 in S4X there, in SGCT, you can also do SGCT and, as it says on the last 2 slides ago, I believe it was, SGCT and SWCT, the 80-20 there. But for example here, they're just using SGCT. From that deposit amount, the company would be actually making 50% of the profits off your investment, and your income would be 50% of the profits there, right? So that's pretty awesome. And then, it's transparent. You can actually see how the company makes money here, okay? So as obviously you can see here, the more you invest, the more you're going to make of that company split. So we'll just run through a couple of these. We'll take the middle one here. So with a $5,000 deposit, once again, it could be SGCT or it could be SGCT, SWCT with a 20-80 split. You're making 70% of the profits. The company's making 30% of the profits. And then boom, we'll just slide over here to the last one just because this is everyone's goal, right? Is to get to 50K investment. Company's making 15% of the profits on that $50,000 investment, and you're making 85% of the profits on that $50,000 investment. Now, I know here, because this is one of the questions you always get, it says 50,000 there, guys. Deposits in S Group are unlimited, so you could have like a $300,000 or $1 million investment. You know, this is just the scale that they put in front of you there. But anything over 50,000, that's what you're going to earn. And you can actually build your way up. Okay, so I want to give an example of this because this is one of the most common questions that you're going to get if you're promoting, or if you're a new member. This is something definitely you probably think about is, okay, say I come in, I start off with $100. I've got my $100 and my goal is to put in, I don't know, $1,000 a month into here and work my way through here. And then after a couple of years or whatever, get to $50,000 or $25,000, wherever you'd get to, right? By compounding and putting in out of pocket $1,000 a month type thing, right? So that doesn't mean that just because you're putting in $1,000 a month, you're going to stick at, like, say, earning 60% only, right? By the amount of your investment in here, you move through the levels. So you could have, by the end of the year, 12 different deposits of $1,000, and you'd actually be at, say, this level here, right? Because you'd have over 10,000, you'd be earning 75%. So there's one of the things, guys, that is probably one of the most commonly asked questions when I do presentations or I'm talking to someone about S Group, is that they, it's, you think about it all as in one thing, but you can see separate individual investments in your back office. Okay, so on to the next slide here. Pretty exciting stuff. And this one is one of the best visual ones you're going to see here, is the S-Forex Prime Trust Management trade statistics. Okay, so you can see there the start date of the Prime investment is 2023 in July. And then now we're a month ahead of this now. We're in September now, but there's some statistics there for you guys to look at. And then what I recommend you do as well is go into your S Group back office if you haven't created an account yet. Just go in there and just see like how long the company's been around with some of their other investments. And that'll kind of give you a good idea of like, comfort when investing and stuff. Okay. So on to the next slide here, which is, that's it for the presentation, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Now it's time to go and take action and contact the person who shared this video with you, and hopefully we'll see you inside S Group.